The philosophy behind this technique is that energy is flowing in your entire body all the time. All the time, energy is flowing in your body. Even when blood is flowing, it is energy. Even where the cells are rejuvenating, आपका digestive system is also energy. Your nervous system is also energy. Your circulatory systems and your respiratory system, all these systems, reproductive system, everywhere the energy is flowing. And what would happen if energy gets blocked? The system does not function optimally, right? अगर आपका ब्लड का फ्लो गड़बड़ा जाता है तो आपकी हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. And what people don't understand or don't know or don't talk about is that the energy flow is very much dependent on your emotions. Okay? Your emotions, if there is an emotional blockage, the energy gets blocked there. And if the energy gets blocked there, the functioning, the energy is not flowing. It's just like electricity. Electricity is coming, but there is a problem in one of the sockets. It will not flow ahead. Or it can come partially. Fluctuation होने लगता है, कहीं कुछ होने लगता है, because it's not flowing properly. Similarly, in our body, what are these chakras? Chakras are shockers. या एक आपके जहाँ पे there a lot of cross connections are there, and the chakras, if they function properly, if there is a proper energy flow, the chakra is open and the chakra is functionally optimally. But if there is energy blockage, the chakra also gets blocked. These are shockers. And there are 7 chakras. We have 7 endocrine glands. We have 7 chakras. And these chakras are near the endocrine glands. So energy flow we have to maintain, whether it is आपके stroke हो जाता है, आपका जो भी होता है, that is because of the problem in the energy flow. But we understand the energy flow, physiological energy flow. What we don't understand, that emotional blockages cause get the energy stuck. Emotional energies को stuck करता है, and emotions are physiology. Emotions are chemistry. So it affects your chemistry, it affects your physiology. So whether it is mind or whether it is body, both are interrelated. So even if your emotions get blocked, your physiology also get blocked. A lot of research happened earlier. In fact, EFT is also based on the science of acupressure. But there are several acupressure points. And initially, it is said that acupressure has come from China, and pressure points, this therapy has come from China. But when you go back to the source, it has been found that in India, there was this piercing of the ear and wearing a lot of things in the ear, or piercing your toes, or wearing these bangles, all were actually symbolic of using your points where the pressure was required. Initial years it was found that at different points, different emotions get blocked. Different points of the body, different emotions get blocked. But later on, researchers showed that we can identify 12 points. So no matter what the emotion is, if we tap these 12 points, the energy will start flowing. Okay. So what I'm going to tell you is these 12 points, which is very mechanical, but we combine the words with it. So power of words combined with tapping brings wonderful results. So disturbing emotions like fear, worry, anger, tension, anxiety, depression, hatred, jealousy, insult, frustration, or name any emotion, they block your energy flow. That's why you feel headache. That's why you feel heavy. That's why you feel depressed. That's why you don't want to walk. You don't want to enjoy. Why? Because your energy is getting blocked. You must have always, whenever you are having negative emotions, you always say, I'm feeling low. I'm not feeling energetic. Do you use these sentences very commonly? Very commonly. Man nahi kar raha hai, I'm feeling low. I don't feel like dancing. I don't want to go out. I feel as there's no energy in my body. So these are all symbolic sentences when you have emotions or feelings which are not positive or which are negative, your energy starts getting blocked or the flow of energy is getting restricted. This blockage in the energy flow causes physical aches and pains. Why did you get relief from physical pain? Because most of the pains have emotional linkages or energy block. Even if you think it physically, there is some energy block which is being reflected in fever, which is being reflected in pains, aches, anything. Okay. So this blockage in the energy flow causes physical aches, pains, chakra blockages, and aura disturbances. In your aura, what is your aura? Aura is your energy body, which is around me. Somebody has मेरे body के बाहर aura है. It may be 4 inches, it may be 6 inches, it can be 1 feet, it can be 2 feet, it can be several feet. It is said that Bhagwan Buddha had 2-kilometer aura, and because of that, people got attracted to him. Dur dur se people will come and become his disciple. So what happened, Akansha, that day? When we released the emotions, the energy started flowing. So it is all very scientific, absolutely scientific. The energy flow started, and when the energy flow started, your pain got relieved. So any emotional disturbance is accompanied by a corresponding distortion of energy lines. Once emotional stability is attained, the energy lines revert to their normal state and vice versa.